All right, so this is the photoelectric smoke alarm, the S240 from our folks over at AEGISLINK. Special thanks to them for sending this to me. Nothing on the back. This side just has the sticker, AEGISLINK smoke alarm S240. Side just has company information. Back has the operating temperatures, which is 34 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And maintenance tests weekly and vacuum the outside of the device once per month. Place the device within 10 years after the day of installation before the battery reaches its maximum lifetime. So this will last for 10 years. Interesting. So let's try to get into this. Let's see what we have in here. We have their little user's manual right on top. Some screws for mounting it on the wall. Then wow, that's some double-sided tape to stick it somewhere if you want, if you don't want to use the screws. And then look at that, you have a little mount. You could mount it and turn it or use that tape, totally your call. But looks like once it's mounted, that's what activates it. Battery not replaceable, see instruction manual. So yeah, once you lock it onto here and, or put your little sticky tape on it, this would give you an alarm in case there was some kind of smoke. And so without making some smoke, I don't really have a way to show you how to use this, but once you use the included mount, either with the sticky tape or the screws, when you turn this on, it'll instantly activate it and it'll last up to 10 years for you and will give you an alarm whenever there is smoke detected. It looks very nice. You do have to mount it though for it to activate and work, and the battery is absolutely not replaceable. You can see here, this is where it shows when you turn it and it goes to the lock position. That's when it would turn on, and then this test button would actually work and allow you to hear the test beep. And then basically 10 years later, take it down and get you a new one. So that should do it for this AEGISLINK smoke alarm. Deuces.